everybody, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be showing you how to prep a used vessel to be reused. So you've just finished burning your favorite candle, and now you're left with a beautiful but empty vessel. What should you do with it? You could throw it away, but we have a better solution. Today we're going to show you how to prep that vessel to be reused. There are a few ways to do this, but the best way we found is by using the oven to heat and melt your remaining wax remnants. First, heat the oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and line a rimmed baking pan with tin foil or 1 to 2 layers of parchment paper. Place the candle upside down on the pan and set the pan in the oven. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. The wax will have taken about 10 to 15 minutes to melt. Remove the pan and place it on a heat-resistant surface, letting any wax that's collected cool and harden. Dispose of any hardened wax in the garbage can. Hold your container using a towel or a pot holder and wipe down the inside with a paper towel to clear out any excess wax. Set the container down and let it fully cool. Now, using a large bowl or a bucket with warm soap and water, you can use a butter knife to remove any wick clips or wick sticker remnants. Remember, don't put your wax down the sink. The wax will harden, and this will cause more problems than you're ready for. Once the vessel is completely cleaned, you can dry it off with a paper towel or a dish towel and let the vessel completely dry before reusing it. Now, you're ready to reuse your vessel for countless new DIY projects. Some of our favorite ways to repurpose vessels include using them as decorative vases, cosmetic brushes, kitchen holders, or even another candle. To learn how to turn your vessel into a brand new wooden wick candle, check out our video, How to Make a Wooden Wick Candle. We've included the link for you below. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? What's your favorite way to repurpose a candle vessel? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Maker's Moments. Happy making!